This video is about analytics from a district point of view. What appears on the analytics page is data and graphs, and the data and graphs are controlled by time ranges and users. The time ranges that are available are the last 28 days, last 14 days, and last 7 days. The users are controlled by teachers and students. If I turn off students by clicking on the X, I only see teacher data, and that's the blue line. If I turn student data back on, we see both green and blue. If I turn teacher data off, I only see student data, which is green. But let's turn teacher data back on. Next, let's go ahead and look at the percentages here. These are percentages of students and teachers that have been in the system for the last 7 days. If I change this to, let's say, the last 28 days, notice how significantly the number of users increased for both students and teachers. When we look at unique users, we also have data here as well for both students and teachers. And then when we look at total logins, notice the total login count is at 63,500 students, and then teacher count is nearly 3,700. Well, that's because the number of unique users at 8,600, these students logged in about 8 times each. And so when you multiply this by 8, you get close to this number. So our unique users log in more than one time during that time period. The daily unique users graph is highlighting the number of unique users on a particular day. So on February 1st, there were nearly 3,000 unique students in the system that day and 100 unique teachers in the system that day. When we look at total daily logins, the login count is about 7,000 students and the number of teachers is 214, which means that from our daily users, for students, these students logged in more than one time. The next data that appears is the total logins by school. If districts would like more detailed information about the total logins by school, then go to the dashboard and select schools, which will take you to your school page, and by clicking on a particular school, the detailed data for that particular school appears. If you'd like to learn about the school analytics page, then watch the school analytics video.